I'm going to show you how to design a website in Canva. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. So once you're in canva.com, right over here, just find the option that says more. And once you tap on more, you would see multiple options, of course, presentation, Instagram post, doc, story, and many more. You just need to find website. So it is right over here. It's right under videos and it's here. So once you tap here, now you can see multiple options. So just choose what sort of design that you would want for the website. So if you want a simple website like this, you can choose this. But if you want a business website or a portfolio website, an event website, education website, so it's completely your choice. I'm just going to choose this common website right over here. And now to open, so you can choose anything that you want to design your website. So let's start with templates. You can choose this as your website, so you can try this. It's also the option of elements, text, uploads, draw. You can also choose to draw over here. And in this way, you would successfully be able to design a website in Canva.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.